Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. These are the 5 pieces of 11-inch long needle nose pliers. They have a straight 45-degree, 90-degree bent long reach pliers. And another one is for the hose removable. So I got this out of eBay for $22.99 free shipping plus tax. So the total damage is $25 even. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys what's inside here. So yeah, it's pretty heavy. So this is rubber. So this is the 90-degree angle. And 45. So yeah, you need to remove like a hose clamp, so it's easier. And this is to grab the hose and then twist it to remove it. So this is like a 45-degree angle. And this one more like a 15-degree. And this one is just straight. So yeah, first I'll try to purchase like a 2 or 3 and at the local hardware store, but it is cheaper if you buy the whole set. So yeah. Anyway, just a quick unboxing or unwrapping for you guys to check it out. Let me know if that's a good deal or not. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.